Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the video class. Last class we have discussed rational numbers and their definitions and properties and exercise 2.1 also in that first main and second main. Actually first main only I solved. Take down second main. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. Here write additive inverse. Additive inverse. Here you know already yesterday I gave additive identity will be 0 and multiplicative identity should be 1. Here just you have to see additive inverse means first problem. I will write here exercise 2.1. In that first problem what they are given 2 by 8. Here additive identity means no need to change the whatever they given. Just you have to change the sign. Here see plus 2 by 8. If anything not sign not is there means it will be plus. You should take here minus 2 by 8. If they gave positive means you should write negative. If they gave negative means you should write positive. Okay, enough. This is the first 2 by 8 is the additive inverse of minus 2 by 8. Next second problem. What is there? Minus 5 by 9. Minus 5 by 9. Here they directly given in that question they gave negative. You should change positive means plus 5 by 9. See here first problem they gave positive, you converted negative. In second problem they gave negative, you just convert positive. Okay, 2 by 8 additive inverse is minus 2 by 8 and second problem minus 5 by 9 additive inverse is plus 5 by 9. Next, here see third one. What is there? Minus 6 by minus 5. Here both sign they are given minus. Means you have to cancel minus. You will get 6 by 5. Now 6 by 5 additive inverse will be minus 6 by 5. Understood? Here see both will be plus. Is there directly your minus 2 by 8 out. But here see both they are given negative sign. First you have to cancel negative. You will get some number means 6 by 5. It is a 6 by 5 additive inverse will be minus 6 by 5. Next problem. Fourth one. 2 by minus 9. Here see numerator they are given negative. But in this problem they are given negative sign will be denominator. You have to write if they are no need to. If they are given numerator, they given denominator. You should just consider whatever is there in this problem. If minus is there means you have to change plus means plus 2 by 9. Next, fifth one 19 by minus 6. Here also same. Here they given negative means 19 divided by minus 6 minus it will be denominator. Here should be plus 19 by 6. Otherwise if you are writing like this 19 by here plus 6 also it's a right by because if anything sign out is there means it will be plus. Okay, take third way. I think understood this. Third main verify that minus of minus x is equal to x for. Here say minus of minus x is equal to x is true or false. Here say you know already negative into negative minus into minus it will be plus whatever is the variable you should write here. I am considering one example minus into minus 2 it will be minus into minus plus whatever they are given value 2 you have to write here 2. Another one example if minus of minus y means it will be plus y. Okay, like that they are given x value. What is the x value? X is equal to 11 by 15. That third main first question x is equal to 11 by 15. Here they are given x value. Just to verify minus of minus x is equal to x or not. Okay, here take down minus of minus x is equal to x. Here x value what is there? 11 by 15. Just substitute in this minus of minus 11 by 15. Here say same as it is x k, means here x into x, minus into minus, here plus, it is the value 11 by 15. See here minus of minus x will be x, like that only, minus into minus plus 11 by 15 is the 11 by 15. You will get whatever is there x, that you will get as it is. Next, second problem, what is there? Second problem, 13 by 17. X is equal to minus 13 divided by 17. Here say they given negative sign. Yes or no? Here consider what is there? Minus of minus x is equal to x. Here minus of minus x value should be total minus is there. Total you should take with sign. That's why I am taking here minus 13 by 17. Like that different bracket you have to use. See here y minus minus means already 2 minus is there. But for x also they given minus. That's why here 3 should be minus. Means here what is the value? Minus into minus plus. Again in this bracket 13 by 17 is there. And in this plus into minus, minus 13 by 17. You will get same answer. X value. Yes or no? Next, it is the easy, just verify x is equal to whatever they are giving same or not, you have to just verify that. Next, fourth way. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Here, I said additive inverse means if positive is there means negative will write it. Negative is there means positive or write. But in I said multiplicative identity should be 1. Okay, here for main find the multiplicative inverse of the following. That first one 13 minus 13. Multiplicative inverse means reverse, means 13 by 1 we are writing fraction, here 1 by minus 13 is the value. Okay, next second one what is there? Minus 13 by 19. I said just you have to write reverse. Whatever is the sign that you have to write 19 by 13 reverse. Understood? Here I said additive inverse. It is the multiplicative. I said additive inverse should be you have to whatever is positive and write negative means positive write. What about multiplicative means if they given some numbers means you have to reverse you should write. Okay, multiplicative means you should write reverse. Whatever sign is there as it is you should write. Third one. 1 by 5. 1 by 5. How you are writing here? For examples also they given means reciprocal by which here page number 24c by which rational number you do multiply 8 by 21 to get product 1. Here see they multiplied and the examples similarly minus 5 by 7 must be multiplied by 7 by minus 5. Okay. Here write down 1 by 5 should be, if I am writing in number means how it will be 5 is the answer. Why? Because I said only just interchange. If they anything not given, just number given means it should be 1 by something. But here see the minus 13 by 19 means it will be minus 19 by 13. 1 by 5 means it will be 5. Okay. Next what is there? Here fourth one see they gave fraction minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Here see anything cancelling getting no. You have to multiply both. 5 minus into minus plus 5 3s are 15 divided by 7 8s are 8 7s are 56. I said reverse this 56 by 15. Next fifth one What is the fifth one value? -1 into -2 by 5 is there. Yes or no? But here inverse means should take here negative. Why? Because here inverse multiplication means just your reverse writing. Yes or no? But here whatever is their sign as it is taken it, don't write it. Here multiply both, minus into minus plus. Here 2 ones are 2 divided by 5. It is the inverse 5 by 2. First whatever is there you multiply. Afterwards take one fraction. Here 2 we are not doing. That's why you have to take 1 and remaining whatever is there you should write. Next last -1. -1 is additive inverse will be, sorry, multiplicative inverse will be 1. 1 by 1 should means it will be 1 only. Okay. I think these second main, third main, fourth main all of you understood. Okay. I will solve fifth main tomorrow and take the homework and here try these blocks in that day. Try these blocks, distributive property give. Here anything not anyway. You have to solve that exercise part only, second main, third main, fourth main, and today homework you should write properties once, closure, associative, commutative and distributive properties you have to write. Thank you.